In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes while watching videos in Notion. This tutorial will guide you through capturing videos you want to learn from and taking notes on them directly within Notion, all in a smooth, integrated workflow. To get started on this journey, you'll need your regular Notion account and the Save to Notion web clipper extension. You can usually find a link to this extension either in a provided template or within the description of our video. Let's begin by heading over to the video you want to save and take notes on. With the Save to Notion extension already installed in your browser, you'll now see it conveniently located in your top menu bar. Go right on ahead and click on it. Now comes the part where organization is key, so you'll need to select the appropriate database where you want this video to be stored. In our example here, we're utilizing a database named Podcasts and Webinar Notes. Finding it is a breeze. Just type the first few letters of the name, and it should pop right up. Once you've selected the correct database, the next step is to choose a template. For this tutorial, we're using the Webinar Notes template. Double-checking is always good practice, so ensure the option to save page content is ticked before you proceed. Once that's all set, you can go ahead and click Save. This action will seamlessly send the video link and its accompanying information directly into your Notion database. Now, let's switch gears and head over to Notion. You'll discover the video is saved with helpful details, including the date it was captured, a link back to the original page, and even a cover image. Upon clicking into the page, you'll see the video is already embedded, with a dedicated note-taking section ready to go. How simple is that? Now, you can click play on the video and effortlessly type out notes as it runs. This organized setup makes it easy to keep track of your thoughts and observations in real time. The great news is that this process isn't limited to webinars. It works with other types of videos as well. Once saved, everything in your main Notion page is easily navigable, allowing you to review what's been captured, conveniently categorized by tags or grouped together as a collection. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to save videos and take notes on them in Notion. Not only does this streamline your learning process, but it also keeps all your valuable insights neatly organized in one accessible place.